Hey everyone, so I'm starting a new series titled Quick Ones. As the name implies, it'll be a series for quick recipes. The first recipe in this series is roasted butternut squash seeds. Trim off the top of your butternut squash, then flip it over and trim off the bottom. Split the neck in half and flip it over and split the bottom in half also. Now you can see the seeds. These are the goodies we're looking for. Use a spoon or an ice cream scoop to scoop out the seeds, then place them in a bowl. Do the same for the second half. Now use your fingers to separate the seeds from the fibrous substance holding them together. These are the seeds. Give them a proper rinse to reduce their slipperiness and to further separate them from that fibrous substance. Spread them out on a paper towel, then place another paper towel over them and pat them dry. You can season and roast them immediately, but I like to let them dry overnight. So it's the next day and the seeds are dried and ready for roasting. Add a pinch of salt. I'm using pink Himalayan salt, but you can use any salt you have. Add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil, then roast in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Give it a good mix, then I like to throw in some rosemary. That way, everyone would think I'm roasting some prime ribs and they will try to be on my good side for the rest of the day. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.